Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a supported OS, network access, and a primary account. Once installed, sign in and follow the guided prompts to create your family group. This sets the administrative control and sharing scope. Make sure to enable required permissions, contacts, location, notifications, because the app uses them to link members and report locations. If prompted, enable 2FA to protect parental controls. These first actions let you move into adding members and configuring roles without interruptions. Once done adding the group, invite each person using their phone or email and have them accept on their device. This links accounts securely. Next, assign roles. Parent or guardian gain management rights, child gets restricted privileges, so permissions match responsibilities. Then configure what you share: continuous location versus check-ins, daily schedules, and app or screen limits. Make sure to apply device-level restrictions if needed. These enforce limits even when users try to bypass settings, keeping boundaries consistent. To finalize, review the dashboard. Confirm devices appear, alerts are enabled, and rules are active. Test critical features, send a check-in request, trigger a scheduled mode, and verify push notifications arrive so you know everything works in real scenarios. Make sure backups and sync are on. They preserve settings across reinstalls. If something goes wrong, first check app permissions, background app refresh, and the sign-in status. Clearing cache or re-inviting a device often resolves persistent sync or location errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.